Hi, this is Matt with Capital Granite, and I am redoing my kitchen countertops, upgrading our 1993 laminate with some natural stone. And today our sink and our faucet package just arrived. We went with our signature brand package that comes with everything you need. So you've got your stainless steel high quality faucet, you have your strainer, and you've got your sink grates and a soap dispenser that all come with the package. One of the things that really jumped out at me about this is a 16 gauge sink, so it's heavier than your average. It's very quiet, high quality, it's got sound deadening panels on it, and when you lift it up you can really feel it. It's very heavy, it's surprisingly heavy. And for us, we went with the 70-30, almost zero radius corners. We like the more formal look of that. And we like a big bowl that we can wash in, a smaller bowl that we can just put our dishes in to dry. And we're really excited to get it installed and try it out. This is Matt with Capital Granite. Please like, share, #CapitalGraniteRVA. Thank you.